Google reviews are one of the most important trust factors for a business. But every extra step between a happy customer and leaving a review is a chance for them to give up. A QR code removes almost all of them. They just scan it and land straight on your review box. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX. We have helped dozens of businesses increase their Google reviews significantly, and the ones that grew their review count the fastest all had one thing in common. They made it as easy as possible for customers to leave reviews. In this video I will show you step by step how to get your Google QR code so you can start collecting reviews right away. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Once you are logged in, go to business.google.com. At this stage you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a Businesses tab open, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your Google Business Profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click on the Ask for Reviews button. Now a new window opens showing your unique review link and your QR code. To get it, right-click on it and click on Save Image As. Then select the destination where it should be saved. We have seen businesses just take this QR code and print it out. We would recommend making it look slightly better. To do that, you can simply go to Canva, open the Templates tab and write there Review Us or Review QR. You can choose any of the designs, change the colors, add your logo, or simply create a graphic from scratch. Making the QR code look good improves the chance of clients actually leaving reviews. As you can see, getting your QR code takes less than a minute. Using it consistently and reminding your customers to leave reviews is what turns happy customers into visible proof that builds trust for every future customer who finds you on Google. If you would like more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon!